Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys a very interesting function that the Abato platform has. So let's go ahead and click right here at the top where it says Trading Bots, and then click Trading Bot Editor. Now, what we're going to do is we're able to create an automated trading strategy right here on this platform. And I'm going to walk you guys through the exact process. So let's go ahead and click Create Trading Bot and then click Create with Wizard. Now, the options that it gives here are basically if you want to have an automated buy trade open. Now, let's click Add Condition. We can set the parameters here. So we would select any of these indicators that we have, for example, RSI, and then we can select equal to or more or equal or less, whatever you'd like. And then you can, on the other side, select whatever other indicator you'd like. So for example, the MACD or moving average or the RSI itself. And now what you'd want to do is go through each of these. So a condition for opening a buy trade and a condition for opening a sell trade, and then also the conditions for closing a buy trade and the conditions for closing a sell trade. Now, once you do that, what's going to happen is as those conditions are fulfilled, a trade will automatically open. So this is a very interesting feature that the Abato platform has, and I would definitely recommend trying to play around with it and see. Who knows, maybe you can figure out a very profitable automated trading bot strategy, and then you just click add, and now you would be able to add it to your chart.